Rigging a vehicle in Blender is very time consuming. You need to add bones and stuff in Blender. So I've created this file so that you could just rig your vehicle from Blender to UnrealEngine very fast. So I've put this vehicle rig.blend file down below in the description so you can download it. After you download it and open it, I'm using Blender 3.6.3. After you download it, it look like this, and it says wheelbase 2.6 meters. But if it is not the same wheelbase, you could just scale it. I've imported FBX from Sketchfab. I downloaded from Sketchfab. So if your downloaded vehicle look like this, it's fine. But if it is not in one, two, three, four, five separated mesh, so you have to join the body in single one mesh just like this. You don't want to separate parts. You want them to move together. And these separate wheels, 4 wheels, okay. And then select your wheel, select your wheel. Keep the wheel's origin in the center of the wheel, just like this. Object, set origin, origin to geometry, and this one the same. Set origin, origin to geometry, same to the other two. And then well, you could just delete this. You don't need this anymore. And then select your wheel, push Shift S, cursor to select it, and then select this bone and go to tab, hit tab, select this one again, Shift S again, selection to cursor. Basically, it just put this bone in the center of the wheel, so that wheel can control the, so that bone can control the wheel in Unreal Engine. Do the same to this one. Shift S, tab, Shift S. Same to this one. After this, and then you want to make sure that car stays in the center. Stays in the center. Okay, looks good. Select car body and shift select all the wheels and shift select the bone at the last. Control P, choose with empty groups. And after this, let's choose this car body first, and then go to tab. Make sure to push A to select all the triangles. I always like to push remove a little bit and push assign to assign all the vertices to this root bone here. And then select the left wheel, front left, remove, and then assign this one. Make sure to select all the face. Remove and front right assign. Do the same to the other two. Okay, I guess it's done. And then you need to select everything. Select everything. Make sure to delete the cube and the text. And then export. Export FBX to the I have this UE4 presets. Basically, I just changed this to up is Z up and forward is X forward. I don't think I need animation. And then export. Then you could just use it in Unreal Engine. One thing I forgot to mention is that you need to if this bone does not fit cars, and you need to select everything and scale it up and down, and then make sure to hit Control A, apply scale before you combine the cars and the bones together. Make sure it says scale 1, everything scales 1, and to see the scale. All right, this then this exported vehicle is ready to use in Blender. Is ready to use in our engine. I'll see you next time, guys.